Let's get to Rahel Solomon now, has three bullish calls for us on the street today. Hi, Rahel.
Hi, Scott. So Jefferies is initiating coverage of BRINKER International with a buy rating. Price target here is $34. So they see improved execution of the Chili's brand, and they think that the worst is behind them in terms of sales. You can see the stock is up about 0.5%. So analysts also think that with tens of thousands of restaurants expected to close permanently, well, they think that BRINKER could benefit by way of opportunities to relocate to better locations with less expensive rents. That stock is down about 33% year to date. It's been a tough year for the stock. Palo Alto Networks also getting upgraded to buy from neutral at BTIG. Target here is $313. Analysts see improving sales execution on the core firewall side of the business. They also think that demand is relatively stable moving forward. They also like the $200 million in deals with the U.S. government that the company made for their July quarter. Scott, analysts are pretty sold on the company, no sell ratings here. And finally, Emerson Electric getting an upgrade at Cowen to outperform from market perform. Price target here is $70. That's after beating earnings estimates yesterday on margin expansion. Cowen citing that the demand headwinds are already known and priced in, and it has a high dividend yields. And finally, Scott, take a look at shares of Monster. They hit new all-time highs earlier today. So that level was $83.96. You can see it's off of those highs. It's trading closer to $82 right now. But this is after also topping earnings expectations. They also provided some guidance on COVID that investors seem to like. They essentially said that they don't expect any shortages in the supply chain. They also don't think that the pandemic will impact its liquidity. And Scott, even though it's trading off of those highs slightly, despite that pullback, it's still one of the best performing stocks in the S&P right now.
Gotcha. Rahel, thank you. Joe, you own Monster Bev, and you used to own Palo Alto, right?
I used to own Palo Alto, which is clearly breaking out. And I have to tell you, in both cases, Monster Beverage and Palo Alto, I see both these companies as potential acquisition targets. Clearly, in the case of Monster Beverage, Rodney Sachs has done an absolutely fantastic job managing the business through the pandemic. This is a company with a market cap somewhere around $45 billion, a little bit rich on the PE as it pushes towards 40. But certainly the business model is a model that has been working over the last couple of years. They're showing the growth. Investors want a premium for growth. And both of these companies clearly would be a strong acquisition target in their selected industries.